How to add a Mailchimp subscribe form to website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to have the subscribe form or a created form from Mailchimp to your website. So now we are going to head over the admin dashboard of our Mailchimp account. So basically we are going to sign in for an account on Mailchimp, and this is a must or mandatory. Then we are going to click on create. Then, as you can see, we are going to see here the creation of emails and websites and automations and etc. I'm going to do a little explanation about Mailchimp for those who doesn't know what is Mailchimp. Mailchimp basically is a email and SMS marketing platform that will help you to create email or ad campaigns for emails. So basically, you are going to automate sending emails to customers, or let's say here contacts that you have created or you have imported from a website or a store, that you are going to incite people to do some, let's say here, some actions that needed to be done. So, for example, for the signups, it is going to be mandatory to have here a sign up form or a sign up page that you are going to create, basically to gather whether the email contacts. So, you are going to launch the campaigns based on these contacts. Now, we're going to click on sign up form. Then we have three options. Either you are going to create a sign up landing page, which is going to be here a complete page specific for sign up. This is not for our today's video because we are going to create either a pop-up or an embed form into our website. So this do not need a website. You are going to get here a page created and dedicated to that specific purpose, which is a sign up or subscription landing page. Now, for the embedded form and also the pop-up, you're going to here on embed, do not need basically a website. So you're going to get a code, and that code you need to put it into your website. By not having a website, that means that it is not going to be integrated within Mailchimp. But the pop-up form, you need to get at least a, let's say here, a store created or a website connected to Mailchimp in case you want to add it in this one. So I'm going to start by the embed form. So we are going to set up here the name for it and also the audience. Click on begin. Then you are going to set up the form field. As you can see, you can add whatever field that you want and set it as required if you want. So the label here, full name, for example. I'm not going to put here a lot of, let's say here, I don't know, here information or fields. So you can go ahead and enable the let's say not the address but the phone number. So I'm going to put it like this, and here we have it. Then we are going to click on continue, and at the end of the process you're going to get this embedded form code. You're going to copy it and head over any website that you have. So I'm going to add the code in here. This is a section that I have created on Wix website. So basically this is the homepage. I don't know why I do not have a actual homepage, but it doesn't matter here. So we're going to click on add elements. From here, I'm going to select the, let's say embed code. I'm going to click on embed HTML, and then we're going to paste in the code just in here. So I'm going to copy it back, click on update, and wait for that form to be appearing in here. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like that, and here we have the form. So this is a subscribe form, as you can read. Now this is for Wix website. You can add that to the websites that you have created on, or the stores on WooCommerce, Shopify, and etc. And here we have it. Basically that was for the embedded code or the embedded forms, but on the let's say here pop-up form, you're going to put the same thing. So you are going to have here the whole form, but as a pop-up. So you are going to have here a mobile banner and also an email sign up. When you finish setting up here the fields, you can go ahead and add a field from here. When you finish up, you're going simply to head over, so for example, the layout, and then you're going to click on continue. After that, you are going to select the store that you have integrated. Basically, these are going to be all the Shopify stores that I have integrated within this platform. So you can go ahead and head over the Mailchimp platform, Head over the integration, click on discover, then you are going to type in the platform that you want to integrate the Mailchimp with. For example, Shopify. You can go ahead and see that we can connect here the stores. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.